Hey there, content creators. Are you looking to give your content strategy a supercharge? Today, we're diving into how Semrush can revolutionize your content creation process from start to finish. Starting with planning, crafting phenomenal content requires more than just typing away at your keyboard. Semrush's keyword research tool is your Sherlock Holmes, helping you detect those juicy keywords your audience is hungry for. Long tail, related, search volume data, you name it. Plus, the topic research tool is like your crystal ball, revealing trending topics and sizing up the competition so your content can shine. Now, let's talk writing. It's not just what you say, but how you say it. With Semrush's SEO Writing Assistant, you're getting a 24/7 editorial buddy, guiding you on SEO best practices and making sure your writing is sharp, clear, and audience-friendly. Content templates come to the rescue when you're staring at a blank page. They're the support system for crafting killer blog posts, nifty social media quips, and persuasive product descriptions. But wait, there's more. Once your masterpiece is live, it's time for some detective work. Are people loving your content? Which pieces are the blockbusters? Semrush's content audit tool gets into the nitty-gritty of your content's performance, looking at traffic, how engaging it is, and who's linking back to it. And don't forget about the brand monitoring tool. It's like having eyes everywhere, keeping tabs on your brand's presence in the vast online universe. Let's wrap this up. Whether you're penning your next blog post, crafting a social media campaign, or analyzing your latest article's reach, Semrush is your all-in-one content command center. Streamlining your workflow, optimizing for those search engines, and making sure your brand is on everyone's lips, that's the power of Semrush. Are you ready to elevate your content game and drive some serious results? Then head over to the Semrush platform by clicking the link in the description. Have questions or want to share your Semrush success stories? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this overview helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and ring the bell to stay up to date with all things content marketing. Until next time, keep creating.